We're here at NAREIT's annual convention for all things REIT, REIT World 2010, at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City. Joining me is Rick Clark, CEO of Brookfield Properties. Rick, Brookfield has been transitioning into an exclusively office-based company. What caused this motivation to move?
Alan, we over the past decade have built up a substantial residential land development business, mostly Canadian-based, and it has been our belief that Brookfield Properties would be more appealing to investors if it were simply a pure-play office company. So what we've done is we've entered into a transaction to sell this business for roughly $1.1 billion. That transaction should close in January, and to redeploy this money into other office assets.
And you're also moving into the Australian market. What was the thinking there?
The thinking there was sort of twofold. One is with the proceeds coming out of the sale of the residential land development business, we were looking for a substantial size portfolio of assets to acquire. We've been studying the Australian market for some time. It is a basically economy that's resource driven. Its major trading partner is Asia. So effectively investing in Australia is a good way to play the growth in Asia, but in a developed Western speaking economy.
And we're right around the corner from 2011. What are the big tailwinds behind Brookfield going into the next year?
I think we're invested in a lot of markets that have already come off the bottom and are steadily picking up steam. So we are the only office company that's operating in several different companies. So our Canadian markets, Toronto, Calgary, and Ottawa, are performing well. All the Australian markets that we're in, Sydney, Perth, and Melbourne, and then within the United States, New York City, Washington, D.C., and Houston have all been great markets for us too. So the main thing for us is I think that we're invested in good markets that are recovering nicely, and we're seeing good rental growth.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time, Rick.
Thank you, Alan.
For more information on this and other REIT news and analysis, as well as more coverage from REIT World 2010, check out REIT.com. I'm Alan Kenny.